Okay, madam. So can you possible to see my screen, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. So
It is recording now.
yeah, madam, recording, madam. So what I want to do means I want to go to the AWS console. So go to the AWS console. Then I can open the AWS management console. Go to the sign in. So go to the root user, madam. So root user and go to the my account. Then I can give the password. Then go to sign in. So what is the agenda, madam? So see, madam. So this is our agenda. So okay, this is our EC2 instance, madam. Okay, this EC2 instance. Sorry, this EC2. So this EC2 instance, I want to migrate it from. First, I will converted the AMI image, madam. Okay, so that image I want to copy the image. Then I will paste it to my other geographical region, madam. Okay, so once I will check here means I can get the AMI image, madam. So what type of the purpose we will use means if you using any type of the service in the EC2 instance, that EC2 instance you can able to use the same EC2 instance to the other geographical location area. Okay, very important thing is you can able to connect the you can able to give the same service for the different region people also, but you cannot accessing the Amazon AMI image. You can give the your own AMI image to the your client. So that is the purpose we are using this scenario, madam. Okay, so what you want to do? First thing, so go to the billing dashboard. Once go to the here, I want to check the billing. Okay, madam, it's not having anything. So go to the service. So go to the EC2 or compute service and go to the EC2. The EC2 we want to create a instance, madam. Launch the instance and give the launch instance. So go to free tier only. So in this free tier only you can select the first Amazon Linux. Then I can give the free tier eligible T2 micro. Give configure the instance. So here I can give the default VPC, madam. I am not creating any VPC. I give the my default VPC. Give the subnet, what subnet you want. So I will give the 1A subnet and give the auto assign IP address. Give enable. Then add storage. Then I can give the add tags and give the security group. So I can create a own security group because they are having a more security groups. I can give the AWS security group. So I can give the launch and I can give the launch. So it is asking the key pair, madam. So I can create a new key pair. So what means RAM file, I give download that key pair, then give launch the instance. Once you can launch the instance, then go to and check the instance, madam. So how the instance is status. So now it is creating. Okay, madam. So I can give the web server, madam. Web server, it is the name. Okay, so this is a web server. So it is storaging, give here, updating. So before, what I want to do, I want to change the PEM key into ordinary key. So go to the EC2 console and show the download. Then I can cut, paste it in the desktop, madam, my PEM key. So this key I want to change it into the PPK file format, madam. So what I want to do, so putty gen I want to open here. So go to the putty gen and go to the file, click the file, load the private key. So go to the private key, then I can give the desktop what PEM key I downloaded there. So I can give the all files. So I can give ROM file 1, ROM file, madam. So see, madam, so PEM key there is having, then I can open the key, then give OK, then give save private key, madam. Okay, save private key. So give save. So same desktop I can give the same file name, so I can give the different name, open SSH. Open SSH I can give in the desktop, madam. Then give save, then I can give close. Then I can go and check the instance, how the instance strength. Okay, give enter, then give refresh. Yeah, my instance status is 2/2. I can get the instance, madam. Okay, what I want to do, I want to connect this instance in my putty. So what I want to do means, so I want to copy the DNS, public DNS. So either you can copy the public IP address, madam, or public DNS, any one. Okay, so any one you can copy and paste it the putty. So I can give the public IP address. I can copy the public IP address and go to the putty. I can give putty. So this host name or IP address I can give here my public IP address. Then go to SSH, click the SSH, then you can give the number of the options. I can give authentication, AUTH, authent, then give authent, then give, it is asking the browse. So go to the browse. So the desktop I am having my file. So what is the file name is open SSH file. Then open, then I can give open. So it is automatically asking the permission. I can give yes. So I want to know what is the login ID. So login ID where I want to see means, go to the connect the instance. So see, madam, this is my username. So same username I want to give here. So go to here. So what is the username here means, EC2 user, EC2 hyphen user. So I can give enter. So now I am getting my console, madam, here. Okay, so what I want to do means, I want to configure the web server, madam, here. Okay, I want to configure the web server. So what are the command mean? First I want to give sudo bash, enter. I can change my root directory to user directory to root directory. Okay, then what I want to do means, so I want to give the command from m So I want to give m update -y. So I can give enter. So I can give update m update. So it is not updating. M DAT. Install update. Okay. So okay madam, not need for updation. So I can give m install. So now I want to configure the HTTP madam. HTTPD -y. So it is installing my web server madam. Okay, once you can give the m install HTTPD means your web server is created here. Okay, this is your web server madam. So I can give service HTTPD, then status, then I can give enter. So my Apache HTTP server is enabled here. So what do you want to do? I can give service HTTPD and a restart. Okay, then what I want to do, madam, I want to go to the my web page. So which locations having in my web page means, so cd space hyphen var where directory slash and www slash and I give html. So this is my location madam. Okay, this is my location my web server is having. If I give enter, it's automatically it will go to the my HTML directory. So I can give ls. So the ls I can give means that it is not having any directory, any file in in this directory. So what I want to do, I want to create a new file. So I can give nano is the editor madam. Nano space space index.html. So the nano index.html means this is go to the editor madam. So here I want to give whatever I want. So I can give the -h1, okay, and give enter. So I can give enter. This is RAM web server. So web server and I give enter. Then I can open bracket, I can give slash and h1, I can give the close the bracket. Okay madam, so it is my small web page. So once you can create it here means give Control O, enter and Control X. Okay madam, Control O, enter and Control X means automatically your file will saved there. Okay madam, then what do you want to do means service space HTTPD space restart. Then I can give enter. Then I can give chk config then HTTPD. So I can configure my HTTPD on. Then I can give enter. So the system ACL, it is forwarded to the system ACL. So my configuration is properly configured or not. What do you want to do, madam? So I can copy the my public IP address. Okay, madam. So I can copy the my public IP address and maximize the screen. Go to the browser and paste it the my public IP. I can give enter. See, madam, this is my RAM web server. Okay, madam, my web server is properly working now. Okay, madam. So this is my customized web server. Okay, madam, it is not a Amazon web server, it is my web server. Okay, so what I want to do means, so this web server, I want to change my location. Okay, madam. So what I want to do, I can select this one. Okay, go to the action. Okay, madam, go to the action. Come down. Go to the image and the templates. Okay, madam, go to image and templates and give hyphen. So create a image, madam. First I want to create a image. So give create image. So it is asking the name. I can give the web server. Web server. So I can give RAM web. Description. So not need for anything, madam. Once give the image name and image description and come down. So it is asking the adding the volume. Okay, so you want to add the volume, you can give the add, madam. But in this case, in this scenario, I cannot give any adding a new volume here. So whatever pre-request volume, that volume only I am using here. Okay, so I can give create a image. So once you can give the created image, successfully your image will created. So where your image is stored means, see, madam, images AMI. Okay, so if you go to AMI, so your image is creating, madam, here. So see, madam, your image is creating. So once the image is created over means, we will check, madam, now. Image is creating.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋದವರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ